Good morning, my sweet lovely. So welcome in. If you are new, my name is Lo. This is So Sweet Lo, and I really appreciate you guys for being here. Be sure to give me a like, comment, and a follow if you shall. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys for sticking with me. We're gaining one by one, but we're gonna get there, and we're not gonna rush it, and we're gonna perfect it, you guys. If you have not followed me on TikTok, at this moment right now, I have not made it to 3K. Hopefully I have by the time you make it over there, but if not, go give your girl a follow over on TikTok. So Sweet Lo across the board. That's how you find me, okay? But thank you guys so much. We have a very, very, very busy month of April planned for orders. Whew, had to go run and grab my paper real quick. But I had to sit down. Like, I am a 90s girl, okay? And that's, we write everything. I have to write it down. It helps me remember stuff way, way, way better. Watching, and I feel like I'm always, this is my comfort sweatshirt. I am always throwing this on. Like, I have other stuff on, and most of the time it's gonna be black. I enjoy wearing black. That's just me. And it's back cool, y'all. It's like 50 degrees outside this morning. And I'm trying to wait until it cool, warm up a little bit because I need to run to Walmart. But yeah, I'm gonna finish watching Maya on YouTube, her vlog from yesterday, and catch up on everybody else that I watch. And thank you so much for watching, and just subscribe and come hang out with your girl. Hey my sweet lovelies, welcome to another day in the vlog. Kason and I are headed to Dollar Tree right now. I saw a couple of items that were on TikTok, and so we're about to go see if we can find them real quick.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they can dream of. What you won't do for love. You've tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you. When I'm good now. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze when your love, you see. Now I came back to let you know.
Hey my sweet lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, I'm Lo, and welcome to So Sweet Lo. Today we're going to do something a little different. We got invited actually over to the new Korean cuisine restaurant here in Hattiesburg. It used to be Marker's Wings and Deli, I believe, something like that. But they're under new management, rebranded, and we're going to go try out some authentic Korean style food today. So y'all come along with me. Kason is knocked out. He had a pre-K interview this morning, and they said he did great, and he went in there and played with his blocks and all of that, and so he's a little tired, so we might come back out to the car with it so he can lay down so he's not forced to sit up. But let's go, y'all.
High volume. High volume.
Come rewind it. Get like
I think we're gonna try the K-style chicken. I really want to try the fried dumplings and the kimchi. Kimchi. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly.
Girl, I love you cause I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. You think that I love it every day. Time I dance with you, my money I go pay. For your love I go pay. It ain't making money days. I'll feel it for you every day. When you call, run it back on replay. For your love I go pay. For your love, I go play. Make a psycho, make a traffic psycho. Baby, every night, I go drive me psycho. Every duty, don't they make me mad, yo. Make you sing to the mic. You're my queen, girl, you are that. Looking in your eyes, oh. Show you many things you can utilize, oh. If I say I love you, then I tell you like, oh. Show you everything when I get tonight, oh. True that make you utilize it. Yeah, when we dance, the way go revive, oh. Give you many things, we could they make you dance, oh. Yeah, it'll make you back up to this stand the mic. If his phone ring and he never call you back, you should leave him. Let me put some money